If you've ever struggled to print a PDF in Adobe Acrobat DC and wish that all your comments, markups, and notes could show up just the way you see them on screen, you're in the right place. By following along today, you'll walk away with 3 simple and reliable ways to print PDFs with all those valuable annotations included. Whether you're sending feedback to a coworker, sharing meeting notes, or saving a record of your own workflow, you'll know exactly how to print what matters. Let's dive straight in. First up, let's talk about printing your PDF with both the document content and any embedded markups or comments. Once your file is open in Acrobat DC, just go to File, then Print. Or, if you're a keyboard shortcut fan, press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac. This brings up the Print dialog box, and here's where it counts. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Comments and Forms. By default, it might just be set to Document, which means only the clean PDF prints out. But we want to see those markups, so click that menu and choose Document and Markups. It's a small change, but a crucial one. The difference between a plain PDF and a fully annotated copy that captures your thoughts and feedback right on the page. Once you've selected that, hit Print, and your physical copy will show highlights, sticky notes, even custom drawing markups. Now, sometimes you may want an even clearer breakdown of the comments themselves, especially if you're reviewing dozens of notes in a complex file. That's where summarizing comments on a separate page can be a game changer. With your PDF still open, bring up the Print dialog like before. This time, take a look at the bottom or side of the menu for the Summarize Comments button. If you can't find it at first glance, don't worry. Sometimes it's tucked away, but checking through all the options is worth it. Once you click Summarize Comments, you'll get a prompt to pick a layout for your summary. This lets you choose how the comments are displayed, maybe as a neat table or a list, making it so much easier to flip through feedback or action items later. Confirm by clicking Yes to include the summary, then proceed to print as usual. Your PDF will now print out with a separate page, or pages, listing every comment, so you can keep track without missing any detail. For the third method, let's cover something a bit trickier. Printing notes and pop-ups exactly as they appear in your Acrobat workspace. If you love leaving post-it style notes, or your file is full of comment bubbles, you'll want this method. Start by going to Edit, then Preferences if you're on Windows. On Mac, it's Acrobat, then Preferences. In the Preferences dialog, look for the list on the left side and select Commenting. Here's the key step. Check the box next to Print Notes and Pop-ups. This tells Acrobat you want every sticky note and pop-up bubble printed in its actual position on the page, not tucked away or ignored. Click OK to save your preference. Before you print, double-check that in the Print dialog box, you've set Comments and Forms to Document and Markups. Otherwise, pop-ups still won't show. Once that's set, hit Print, and you'll get a copy that mirrors all the conversations and ideas exactly as they look on screen. There you have it. 3 solid ways to make sure every comment and markup you add in Acrobat DC shows up in your printed documents. Whether you choose to print right on the PDF, create a detailed comment summary, or print notes just like they appear, you now have the flexibility to capture feedback and keep a record you can share or save. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit like, and if you have any questions about these methods, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials on Adobe Acrobat DC and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching.